What's up, everybody? Today I have another product review for you. I went to Walmart and I grabbed one of these little boxes. I've seen like the bigger version, like that goes around the rooms, and some people put it like wrapped around their furnitures or outside of their house. But this Aura LED USB Moodlight is stripped for TVs up to 65 inches. And today I'm going to do a little unboxing. I have one set up already. This is the second one. And I'm going to do an unboxing and go a little bit over the product. And I'm happy with it for only $5 at Walmart. It was very worth it. At first I was a little sketchy at first because I looked at it. There was so many of them for $5. I mean, if it was in my head, if it was that great of a product, at least half a dozen or almost half of it would be gone. But since it was perfectly stocked and nobody, had a little bit of interest in it, I was sketchy at first. But I was like, it's $5. What's the worst that could happen? But I have one set up. I'll show you that in a little bit. And I bought the second one so I can do an unboxing. The first one I did it so I can test it out first, and I was happy with it, like I said. And I bought a second one to do an unboxing video and review it for you. As you can see, I don't know if you can see right now, but I still got the seals on it. It's Aura LED strips for TVs, PCs, or home. It's a USB Moodlight. It comes with 16 color selection, adjust color intensity and brightness via remote control, which is pretty cool. There's a picture of a remote control right there. It creates an ambient and unique atmosphere. The company that made this, I believe it's Tizumi. So let's check it out. Okay, so right now this box is sealed on the top here, and it's also sealed at the bottom. There's like a little plastic here, so I'm just gonna open up on the top here. It's like a little clear sticker seal, and you open up the box and let's see what's inside. So all there is there's nothing else in the box. Just this little nice little silver plastic. It's like kind of like when you buy the cameras, like those disposable cameras, and it comes in like this little plastic or whatever. Let's see what. So when you open this up, it comes with a control, nothing else in the bag. And it comes with a control. It comes with a little warning for this device. It says, warning, this product may exceed the power limits of certain USB ports with the 500 milliamp power draw. Please check with the manufacturers of your TV or computer to determine the specifications of the USB port available on the device before proceeding to connect this product. So that's just a little warning label right there. It comes with the instruction. It shows you how what buttons on the controller means what, which is pretty much self-explanatory. Like, it's just the colors that you choose to have, and you choose if you want to flash it or whatever. So it's like a bunch of combination. There's a bunch of them, 16 colors. Like I said before, I have one running on my TV right now, and I'll show you in a minute. So it comes with a little manual, a warning label, manual, a little USB manual, a remote control, and this is just like an advertisement. So it's like little promotion that comes with this product for other products, like this one. The other one that I bought didn't come with this one, but this one is the knuckles for the phone grips, like the little buttons they put in the back of the phone. So it's pretty cool. And then you got the USB. This is what you would plug into the TV, and there's a little sensor here for the remote control, and the LED strip you plug in right there. However, this sensor, I leave it on the back of my TV, and anytime I just want to change a mood, I pretty much just go in right next to the TV by the back side, and I choose my option. But if you're trying to choose the options without having to go back behind the TV, I suggest you leave that little black sensor in front of the TV, so that way you can just switch it from the remote control, from sitting back on your couch, and just not having to get up and go behind the TV and move it. And then you got the little reel with the LED. This is where it plugs in. So it only plugs in a specific way. Like if you try to plug in the other way, it doesn't go. So it's like, let me see. There it goes right there. So that's how you plug it in. And the back, so that's the LED strip. And the back of it is a sticker that you can peel it off right there. So when you peel it off, there's a sticky side, like there's a clear sticky side in the back of it, and you just attach that to your TV, computer monitor, or anywhere else you would like. I do suggest you cleaning off the TV for like dust and stuff, because the first time I did it didn't stuck well because my TV was a little dusty in the back. But after I cleaned it and tried to put it back on, it's perfectly fine. So this is what comes with it. The remote control, everything has batteries in it. You don't need to buy batteries or anything. So the remote control, all you gotta do is, there's a little clear plastic right there, and that clear plastic, you just pull it out, and now it's functioning. So until you pull this little plastic out, the remote control will not work, because the battery is this is blocking the battery from getting the power. And as soon as you pull it out, the remote is already powered on by the battery. And there is a little slide right here, so you can pull it out and get a wash battery. It's a little round disc wash battery, and that's really all you need. So right now I'm gonna show you how it looks mounted on my TV, and you go from there. So right now, that's my TV, that's my TV stand, and as you can see behind the TV, it's a nice glowing neon color. I have it on a slow fade, so as you can see, it slowly fades between all the colors. And I'll show you what the back looks like. On the back of the TV, it's just simply the LED strips that I taped it around the top. The bottom, there was a little extra on the bottom, so as you can see right here, it's a little hanging. I tried to tape it there, but it didn't stuck well. But it just went around from the back here up and over. And on this side of the TV, you could see that my LED sensor is right here, and I plugged my TV in. I plugged it in right there to HDMI or to USB. Above the HDMI, my HDMI 1, there's a USB, a coax, and a computer port. So I plugged it in right there because it was more convenient to leave the wire back here, so it's not hanging all the way around here. And then I started here, and it goes just a little small strip up, and it goes over. So anytime I want to switch the colors of the TV, I have to just go right back here on this side right here and just switch it, which is not a big deal for me. Right now I got some lights in the living room on, so I'm gonna turn the lights off so it's completely dark, so you can see what it really looks like when it's pitch black. Alright, so as you can see, it's a lot darker in here. That's because I turned off all the lights in this house. Mainly the living room and the kitchen are connected, so I turn off that light, and you can see here that while I'm watching a movie and it's not interrupting my movie, while my TV is on, the light is on the back of it, so it kind of gives like a little nice coloring effect. I got the remote here, and I'll show you, like if I come up close to the TV right here and I pick a specific color, I don't get nothing. So if I want to go switch the color, like I said, I just have to come back here and right around the TV here, I'll pick like red or something. And as I switch the color, see, like if I pick, you can't really see because it's night, but if I pick yellow, the yellow goes on, or yellow green, whatever that is. If I want purple, I go right back here, right next to the TV here, and it picks up pretty well. I go right here, and it's purple, like a bluish purple, and so on. So if I press the button fade, it will just fade into all the colors. If I press strobe, I believe it doesn't really strobe like I thought it would. I guess it just still switches through the colors. When I press flash, the flash just flashes around, like one just jumps in from one color to another. So I think that's not really, like when I tried that out, I didn't really like it because I'm just sitting here and it's like flashing through the colors. So I just like when it was pretty much like faded in from one color to another. So when I press smooth, you can see it kind of like a little bit smooth from in and out, but when I press fade, it just fades in from one color to another. So that's my best setup that I have. I like fade a lot better, and it slowly fades from one color to another. I can set up to where it's completely white, like if I just need white, like a nice white background, I just leave it white like that. And but if not, I'll just go around through the colors. There is an on and off switch, as you can see right here. There's an on and off switch, and that's all the colors right there. You got this little button right here. It's to speed up the brightness, like the speed up between the color changes, and this is to slow down the color changes. Then you got flash, then you got strobe, then you got fade, and you got smooth right here. The on and off button, I could turn it off, like I don't need to have it on, so I could turn it off whenever I want and turn on and off whenever I want. And yeah, so I'm very content with this. So yeah, I'm very content with this product. Love it, and it's a nice little night lamp. As you can see, that's my kids' room, and they're gonna have a night lamp. They use the TV as a night lamp, but between this TV and that TV, you can see like this looks a lot cooler and a lot better for nighttime. So as you saw, pretty much it's very simple. Just comes with the USB, the little reel that you just tape it and you start peeling off from the reel and attach it around the TV. Little instruction manual, remote control with all the colors and the different settings right from the remote. Your little small warning label about this product, and an advertisement, just an advertisement about other products, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you like this video. Give it a try if you are interested in this kind of stuff. Like I said, it's worth it for me. The size, I mean, I wish it was longer, to be honest, because like you saw, it doesn't reach around my whole TV, so I would need to buy like a second one. But other than that, this product is I'm pretty satisfied with this product. It bends, like I can make knots around it, like it's not a big deal. I like the flexibility of it. Very clear, very flexible. On the end of it, I wish there was a way to connect all of it, because when you strip this out, when you empty the whole spool out, and the end of it, it looks like when you pull off the sticker here, it's just a little sticker, and you can see that at the end of it there is no other connection to attach to this. It would be cool if there was a way to combine them, you know, like just combine both of them. That would be pretty cool, but it doesn't look like there is a way to combine these because there is no second of it. So I would need, if I wanted to, depending on the size of the TV, I would probably need to have two of these USBs and connect it to like two USBs on the TV to have one. But other than that, I mean, just one strip itself, like, you're gonna need to go around the whole TV, but just like half of the TV, like I have, did a whole nice job on the lighting on the background. So other than that, like I said, I'm pretty satisfied with it, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe and comment and give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you soon for the next product. Later.